This is a follow-up to my recent video on fully auditable voting systems. Please watch that video first. I wanted to address a couple of problems with traditional systems that are only partially solved by using fully auditable systems. Let's talk about undervoting. If a voter declines to vote a question, then the election authority might cheat by marking the question fraudulently after it receives the ballot. Undervoting is normally infrequent in major races, typically comprising fewer than 2% of ballots. With a fully auditable system, the voter can at least find out that a vote was counted on her behalf. However, disputing it is difficult. If a lot of voters from the same political party file disputes, then that is a good reason to suspect the election authority of cheating. On the other hand, if a bunch of voters conspire to discredit the election by filing fraudulent disputes, then investigators would probably figure that out. It's hard to maintain a conspiracy when everyone knows exactly who's in it. But the bottom line is, multi-partisan supervision of ballot handling is still a good idea. But it is common practice in many jurisdictions for poll workers to cure ballots by darkening the markings if the voter marked an option, but the optical scanner failed to detect it. Distinguishing this practice from fraud can be difficult, even with multi-partisan supervision. One thing that could be done about this, whether or not a fully auditable system is used, is to add an abstain voting option for each question. A vote for no more than N question needs N abstain options. But some voters would still undervote. A voter who is too lazy to decide how to vote is probably also too lazy to mark the abstain option, but at least we can make it possible. But what if the election authority invalidates a valid vote by fraudulently overvoting it? Once again, the voter can find out that it happened if a fully auditable system is used. Overvoting is normally very infrequent, usually between 0.1% and 1% of votes according to ChatGPT. That makes this kind of fraud easy to detect at scale, even if voters don't file disputes. By the way, if you can find a better source for the frequency of overvotes, then please post a link in the comments and I will add it to the description. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.